I'll tell your boyfriend goodbye for you, princess.
When I get hold of you, Jafar!
I'm so worried.
Woo! How could you double-cross Aladdin after all he's done for you?
Hey, do I insult your mother?
What are you doing now?
Oh, what does it look like I'm doing? I'm trying to free the chump genie so he can save your chump boyfriend. Ah!
You have to lift it higher!
Sure, no problem.
Wait!
Jasmine! I knew you wouldn't go through with this.
I just wanted to say goodbye.
Street rat.
Jafar! It's Jafar! Thanks for saving me.
Oh, come on, Al. You know I had to. Oh, that no-head look is just not you. For my next trick, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo! Ho ho, and everybody's safe and sound.
Aladdin!
Good to see you too, Abu.
There's somebody else who wants to talk to you.
Hello?
You set me up! How could you show your face? You're nothing but a
Aladdin, Iago rescued us. He didn't have to, but he did.
rescued? Him?
Please note, did not have to, but did. Now we should be fleeing for our lives if you don't mind!
No, we have to stop Jafar.
But how? He's so powerful.
His lamp. You destroy Jafar's lamp, you destroy Jafar.
Then that's what we'll do.
Reality check. Jafar is large and in charge!
Ah, yes. There's no telling what Jafar will do to Agrabah. We have a responsibility.
Maybe you do, but I don't. I'm only responsible for me, myself, and nobody.
I understand, Iago. You've done enough. And thanks!
Hey, I did my good deed. I don't owe you a thing. You hear me?